Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Good morning,
wabarakatuh.
everyone. First of all,
Morning.
let us express our gratitude for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has gathered us all in this Zoom room in a good health. First of all, to the Honorable Miss Sri Wilujeng MPD as a guest on our VCT this time, and our supervising teacher, namely Miss Theodora Sabarina MPD GR, as well as the students, companion, and colleagues. I would like to thank all the audience who gave half the taken the time to attend the VCT or webinar of the Group 7 from Cluster 1. Before the event begin, it is better for us to pray first according to our perspective belief. Prayers begin. Amin. First of all, let me introduce myself again. My name is Orlen Arya Putra as a host, Bagas Haidar as a moderator, Misila Quincy as a presenter, Naura Saskia as a flyer designer, and Fatir Akram as a digital presence. After that, let me tell you guys the rule of this VCT. The first rule is please mute your mic. If you want to ask a question, please raise your hand or write on the chat box, and I will give the digital presentation in the chat box, and don't forget to fill that letter. And that's it for me, and I will give the lead of this VCT to Bagas as a moderator.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. My name is Bagas Haidar Prasetyo, and I will be your moderator for today's session on information technology. We are pleased to welcome Michela Ponto. She lives in Depok. She is from SMP Terahmania, and her achievement is Wushu. The session will include presentation followed by Q&A session, so please make sure to write down your questions. Now, without further ado, let's welcome Miss Michelle. The screen is yours.
Okay, I will take the Michelle task. I will be the presenter of this VCT. Let me share my screen first. Introduction about technology. Definition. Use of scientific knowledge for practical purpose. Second, improve life quality and efficiency. Third, evolving rapidly across all sectors. Type of technology. Information technology or IT. Computer, software, and data system. Second, communicating technology, mobile phone, internet, social media. Third, medical technology, diagnostics tool, surgery robots, and health apps. And the last one, transportation technology, like electric vehicle, GPS, and drones. Positive impact of technology on society. Faster communication. For example, through smartphone, email, and video calls, people can stay connected instantly across a long distance. Advanced healthcare. For example, medical technology allows for early diagnosis, less invasive treatment, and better patient care. Third one, improve education. For example, with online learning platforms, digital libraries, and interactive tools, education has become more accessible and engaging. The last one, increase productivity. Automation in factories, agri- agriculture, and office has led to higher output with a fewer error. Challenge or negativity impact. The first one, a job loss due to automation and robots. The second one, privacy issues from the data tracking and surveillance. Third one, cybersecurity threats such as hacking and phishing. And the fourth one, digital addiction and reduced face-to-face interaction. Emerging and future technologies. Artificial intelligence or AI is a smart machine that learns and thinks. Second one, Internet of Things or IoT. Connected device in home and cities. The third one, virtual or augmented reality, or VR or AR. New ways to experience digital content. The last one, green technology or eco-friendly innovation for a sustainable future. Okay, and that's it from me. And I will give the lead to this VCT to the Bagas as a moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Orlan. And now I will open the Q&A session. If you want to ask a question, you can ask in the chat box or you can just raise your hand. Any question? No?
I think John wants to ask a question.
Okay, John, what's your question?
Sorry. My question is, what are the challenges of using technology in education?
What? I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Oh, yes. What are the challenges of using technology in education? Hello?
Of challenge of using the technology?
Yes, in education.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Orlan, can you please answer the question? Thank you. Also, thank you for John for the question.
Okay, Bagas, can you repeat the question for me again, please?
The question is, what are the challenges of the using technology in education?
What are the challenges? Sorry, can you repeat?
What are the challenges of using the technology in education?
The challenge is not every information from the AI or the internet is true. You have to check it again, like from the other source, not only from the one source, because somebody can edit that source like in their freedom. And yeah, you just have to check that information again and again, and not that from one source. And yeah, that's the answer from me.
Okay, thank you for the answer, Orlan. Is the answer clear enough, John?
Enough. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, Ira want to ask. What's your question, Ira?
Okay, thank you, Bagas and Orlan, for the opportunity of asking a question. So, my question is, in what ways can our school improve their use in information technology? Thank you.
Can you repeat? I'm sorry.
Okay. In what ways can our school improve their use in information technology?
Technology in
Information technology.
Okay, I will answer
Mr.
Ira
Orlan.
question. So what do school do? Sorry, can you repeat the question, Bagas?
In what ways can our school can improve technology
Oh,
information?
our school can do such thing as an online class or a class offline to teach the student how to use an online information technology. Because in the future, online information technology is very important for our job and for our future. it's helping a lot of people. And that's my answer.
Okay, thank you, Orlan. Is the answer clear enough, Aira?
Yes, thank you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And I see Miss Sri Wilujeng is asking in the chat box, how was your
How was
experience in the good and the bad while preparing for VCT? Okay, I will answer that. How was your experience, the good and the bad while My good experience is I like to talk a lot in this VCT because I like to talk in regularly with my friend and with somebody I like. But the bad while preparing the VCT is I cannot manage all the 5 people because I'm not a good leader of this group, I think, because there are so many mistakes in the process of making this. Thank you. And I see other question from Teh Karisa. What is your opinion on student replying on AI too much? I will answer that too. I think my opinion is it's not that bad to relying on AI too much, but if it's too much, the if it's too much, your knowledge on something could be more or less if you don't study. The AI is maybe a future thing to learn about, but not a thing to relying about on your daily life. I only use AI for like easy study, not for all anything like answering a question, making something. Yeah, and that's it for me. Bagas, I will give the lead to you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Orlan. Oh, Abang Rifgan want to ask. What's your question, Abang? Bang, you want to ask? What's your question?
I'm sorry, your voice is not on, Abang Rifgan.
It's not-
If you can talk, just write your question on the chat box. Thank you. You can write your question on chat box. What is the significant benefit of this program? Okay, I will answer that. The significant profit of this program that we can together learn about information and technology together. We can learn that the bad thing of it, the good thing of it, and the many variation of it. That's the only answer that I can give you. If are there any question more? Thank you. Okay, I think I will give the lead to the Bagas as moderator again.
Okay, thank you, Orlan. Miss Tio, do you want to ask? What's your question?
No, maybe later for a comment.
Okay, thank you, Miss Tio.
Miss Sri boleh komen?
Oh yeah, please, Miss.
Oke, thank you, Miss Tio. I am using Indonesian ya.
Ya,
Anak-anak
iya, Bu.
nih, ada sedikit masukan untuk grup 7, grup 7. Gini, jadi pada saat kamu tadi kejadian bahwa ada temanmu yang mic-nya mati lampu. Nah, kamu harus sigap tuh. Ini nanti akan terjadi pada saat kamu membuka webinar secara besar. Pasti hal-hal seperti ini akan terjadi. Nah, kamu dengan sigap nih, moderator, host itu sigap menggantikan posisi si presenter itu yang mati lampu itu. Baik itu yang mati lampu, kebetulan kan yang mati lampu sekarang ini adalah yang presenternya. Tapi nanti mungkin bisa juga moderator atau, nah kamu harus sigap sinyalnya juga. Nah, tadi sempat berhenti, nah maka oleh Orlen, nah itu bagus. Kamu sudah inisiatif, kita ulang aja ya, Miss gitu. Nah, itu sudah keren. Artinya kamu harus berinisiatif. Itu yang pertama ya. Kemudian yang kedua, hindari vakum, diam. Jadi diam tuh. Jadi ini akan membuat audien atau peserta webinar itu akan bete. Nah, itu hindari. Mudah-mudahan nanti yang kelompok berikutnya sudah ini udah luar biasa ya, sudah keren, sudah bagus. Karena kamu saling sudah komunikatif. Kayak misalnya tadi Bagas, Orlen. Itu Orlen nggak paham dengan pertanyaan dari temannya, tapi nggak apa-apa, itu wajar, itu di dalam webinar itu wajar bahwa kamu bertanya, apalagi repeat again, maksudnya diulang lagi pertanyaan yang dari tadi peserta webinar itu. Jadi ini sudah komunikatif, hanya tadi memang ada beberapa mungkin karena menunggu moderator itu harus bisa membawakan misalnya, hayo siapa yang mau bertanya silakan, boleh disampaikan di chat, boleh tidak harus menunjukkan raise hand, itu tidak harus, tapi moderator bagaimana membuat sebuah webinar itu hidup. Nah, itu mungkin kalau hanya ngomong aja di depan kamera itu is oke, kamu sudah luar biasa. Tadi dari grup 5, grup 7 itu kalian sudah luar biasa mengomong di depan orang itu akan dengan sangat mudahnya. Tapi bagaimana yang untuk kedepannya bagaimana menghidupkan sebuah webinar. Nah, itu adalah tugas saling tadi terutama memang moderator ya, tugas utama moderator. Nah, tapi antara satu sama lain juga saling mendukung. Nah, itu baru keren dalam satu grup itu. Jadi tadi Ibu sudah melihat bagaimana komunikasi kamu antara moderator, presenter, host itu sudah keren, luar biasa. Terima kasih. Sukses untuk kalian. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you,
Waalaikumsalam.
Miss
Thank you,
Ri.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, and I think there is from group 7, and I will close this VCT. Thank you, Bagas, as a moderator. I can believe we've reached the end of the event. First of all, I'd like to thank to our moderator, Bagas, our presenter, Michelle, and our digital flyer, Naura, and our digital presence, Fatir. Okay, guys, thank you for the attention. Sorry if there are any mistakes, like the one that like Michelle that he is out of light in his house. Yeah. I am Orlando Putra. As the host of this VCT, I am taking my leave. See you guys next time, and don't forget to fill up the digital presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, you have stopped your recording ya.